Gardening while living in an RV. New location, my very own land job. Got another camper. Um, got our car, got my truck, got a new shop. The old shop's on the other side. Got me a creek down there. Y'all seen videos of that, I'm sure. Got my woods. We got a different kayak now. We got a golf cart. We got some ducks. Check it out. Eggplant's doing good. The fig's been topped. Loaded with figs. Alright. Got onions be good for spices. Old school news. Sleeping on a job. Alright. We got potatoes friggin' up from before. We got the lemon thyme going everywhere. The chamomile's about died out before the summer. Then dried. We got rosemary here. Mom's coming up from last year. There. And there's the grapevine's doing good. Orange trees got a bunch of little baby oranges everywhere. Eggplant's doing good. The other nose sleeping on a job. Strawberries doing really good. More onions for spices. We got cherry tomatoes. We got the Roma tomatoes still going. There's sprig that broke off of the cherry tomatoes and it's jumped up doing good. We got some baby duckies over there. We got peppers doing good still. Raspberries. I've been eating some blackberries. We're going to replant this because we brought this with us. The other one's over there. We got some baby ducks, a little chicken in there. We got some more chicks. There's our pool. We're going to use that for tilapia, brim, perch, whatever, catfish. Um, we got more chicks over there. Hit that thumbs up, y'all. Comment, share, subscribe.